Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit audio in Audacity in 2026. Audacity includes many tools for cleaning up recordings, removing unwanted sections, adjusting volume, and improving the overall result. So let's get started. First, open Audacity and import the audio file you want to edit, or open a recording you created inside the program. Your audio will appear as a waveform on the timeline. You can zoom in or out to make detailed edits easier, especially when working with small sections of speech or sound. To select part of the recording, click and drag across the waveform. Once an area is selected, you can cut, copy, delete, or apply an effect to that specific section. If there's a mistake in your recording, select the unwanted section and remove it. You can also shorten long pauses to make a voiceover or podcast sound more natural. Audacity lets you adjust volume as well. If one section is noticeably quieter or louder than another, you can use the appropriate audio tools to create a more consistent level. You can also apply effects such as noise reduction, compression, equalization, or other processing. The right effect depends on what you're trying to improve. When using effects, listen carefully after each change. Avoid applying too much processing because aggressive effects can make audio sound unnatural. Subtle adjustments usually work better. If you make a change you don't like, use undo and try again. This makes experimenting with different settings much safer. As you edit, play back short sections and then listen to the full recording. Some changes may sound good in isolation, but become noticeable when you hear the complete track. When you're satisfied, save the Audacity project. Then export the final audio in the format you need. And that's how to edit audio in Audacity. Select your audio carefully, remove mistakes, adjust levels, use effects when needed, and always listen before exporting. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next